What's up guys? May frequently asked questions ulit tayo guys. If magkano ba daw yung babayaran kapag pag-process ng non-pro to professional license. So, una guys, medical is 500. So, punta lang kayo sa clinic na accredited by LTO. 500 lang yung medical. Then, pag ano ka na sa LTO, unang babayaran mo is application fee, 100 pesos. Then, sunod na after mo makapasa sa exam, online exam, babayaran mo naman yung license fee, which is 325. So, depende rin if may penalty kayo o expired na yung license nyo. Basta yung sa akin, yan yung nabayaran ko since hindi naman expired yung non-pro ko at wala naman akong penalty. So, yun guys. Comment kayo if you have further questions. Thank you for watching and good luck on your exam.